Louie, something dope, whatever.
Right. Okay, here we go.
Those are Carol's, Jack's kids.
I think so.
Spin it. That's Pat. Me with my Rolex.
What are you doing, Kay? Catching fish? Hey, Kay. What are you doing, catching fish?
What did I say? And a line. And a tennis ball.
Weeded trees, pruning. You don't prune avocado trees, do you? Hell no. I can't do it. I won't.
Huh?
Take a picture of what?
I don't know. Oh, Andrea's ups. Oh.
You were smoking.
Okay. I'll get it
Is
back.
that Louie?
No.
What is that?
There you go.
You want it like that?
Right.
Open that up a little bit like that.
Like that, okay.
This one and...
Oh, man.
Happy birthday, Greg!
Isn't that cute?
Mm-hmm. I am recording action.
That's all wrong there. Hold on, I want the rare.
Tip that up just a little bit, will you? Oh, that's, okay, good.
3D?
Yeah, right. No, just... Yeah. Happy birthday.
Look at
Okay.
you. Look at that cake. That was cool, babe.
You better believe it.
Right, I got it.
Good stuff. Good. Where's Tony at?
He's over at the house. Anthony had an asthma attack, so he's over there. Yeah.
There's Jack. There's Greg.
Recreation.
Rec.
What are you doing?
No, these are big condos.
Hey!
Right across. Look at that. Yeah. See hairline. Like it float up the hill. Great. That's too far away to see these.
In a pig's eye.
I told Louis, you ought to go down and have a great tint elevated in your hair, right?
You were worried about your hair then.
Right after that, it's 45 cents, went all the way up to the dollar.
And you love Jack. Totally love Jack.
They used to have to buy the gas.
Did you know that?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yeah.
Tell her about a year. I mean,